Hello, I am glad to introduce my student practice work. The Python program solves the problem of a maximal independent set. A maximal independent set is the biggest quantity of vertices where nodes have no connections to each other. With this program, we can calculate and visualize results in a few seconds. In this video, I won't concentrate on the demonstration of the working of the code, but you can find the same code and its mechanism in the description of the video via the link below. I won't show the structure of the code. In the capacity of resources of data, we use a text file. There are numbers that are written in pairs. Those are the edges of a graph. To reach our goal, we should download two modules for Python: Networks for working with graphs and Matplotlib. You see the graph on the screen. This function is a solver. The process of calculation of a maximal independent set is in it. This function is a converter of a text into a Python list. It is important for the program to read correctly the information from a text file. This function makes visualization of a graph and demonstrates a graph with vertices on the screen. This function compiles all functions that were made before. Here, we insert the name of a text file for finding a maximal independent set. The function runs the program and prints the result. In purpose to prevent confusion, this construction gives the message that the function main is really main in this program. Okay, let's start. Firstly, we can see our graph. The green vertices are included in a maximal independent set. Secondly, we behold the result, the dimension of the maximal independent set, and which vertices are included in it. Every time run the program, we can see different visualization of the graph. If we want to insert our file with edges, we can change the name in this string. Yes, here we are. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.